If you are hearing this, it is not an accident. Some tools you search for and others, like this one, find you. There comes a moment when the outside world stops giving you the answers you are desperately seeking. Advice feels hollow. The noise around you becomes too loud, and you realize that the guidance you have been searching for has been whispering inside you the entire time. The Missing Piece Journal was not simply created, it was channeled. Every page was received through higher guidance for people who are ready to shift from confusion into clarity, from searching into knowing, from hoping into manifesting. Inside this journal, you are led through the 5 essential steps of true transformation. Shadow work to release the blocks you did not realize were holding you back. Vision writing to anchor the life you are meant to live. Signs and symbols to help you understand the language of the universe. Automatic writing to reconnect you with your higher self, God, your angels, and your guides. And aligned action steps that bridge desire into your reality. This is not just journaling. This is remembering. This is returning to the wisdom you were born with. If something inside you is stirring right now, follow it. Magnificent change begins the moment you choose to listen to your own soul. If you feel called to begin, tap the link below and get your Missing Piece journal. Your transformation starts the moment you open the first page. Subscribe for more guidance and take your first step today.